Okay. So can you see the new screen, girls? Can you see it? Oh, sorry. Screen sharing has stopped. Okay, let me just share it again. Okay. Can you see it, girls? Good. Can you see it now? Yes. Okay, perfect. So let us go ahead and have a slideshow of this one. Okay. So new lesson for tonight. This is Key English Test 5, Test 1, Speaking. So you are now leveling up. Let's go to the next page. So we already know this. Okay. So let's jump to speaking part 1. Okay. So let's begin. So in this kind of speaking, we are going to talk about the weather in our country or your country. Okay. So I will ask Tao first, and then next is Linva. Okay, let's start. So Tao, what is the weather like today? All right. So it's the weather is hot and sunny. Is that right, Tao? Yes. Do you like it? Do you like that kind of weather? I see. Uh, all right. So you don't really like the warm weather, right? You like chilly weather and cooler weather, right? Okay, very good. Thank you, Tao. Next is Linva. So Linva, do you trust the weather forecast? How often do they get it right? Okay, good question. Weather forecast is, I will type in the chat box so that you will see the words. Okay, girls, please look at the chat box. When you say weather forecast, that is um, forecasting or predicting the weather for the next day or for today. For example, on TV, it's like a weather news report. So technically, weather forecast can be seen on television, weather news report. Clear, Lynn? Got it? Okay, perfect. So that's weather forecast. So question is, do you trust the weather forecast? Yes or no? Do you believe or do you trust? You trust. It is a yes. Correct? Yes. And how often do they get it right? Is it 100%? What do you think? How many percent do you think is weather forecast right? 50%, 70, or 100%? 54%, right? Okay, yeah. I agree with you, Lynn. Sometimes the weather forecast is right. Sometimes it's also not right. Right, Lynn? Okay, very good. Okay, next question goes to Tao. Okay, Tao. Do you feel different because of weather, Tao? So do you feel different? Like for example, it's sunny weather. What's your emotion? Happy, sad, like that. Mm-hmm. Emotions is your feeling. Mm-hmm. Do you feel happy or sad? Mm-hmm. You feel sad, okay. But if it's chilly, if it's raining, how do you feel? Okay, all right, got it. Okay, so we will practice Tao how to say it. You can say okay, you can say yes. I will type in the chat box first. Yes, I. Just a moment. Okay, so Tao, please look at the chat box. Can you see it? Okay, all right, let's practice this word. Can you please say affects? One more, affects. Okay, perfect. So let's add some more. I feel relaxed. Okay. All right, let's read together, Tao. I feel relaxed during the cold or chilly weather. All right. You can use chilly because chilly is cold, right? That is chilly. You can use chilly or you can use chill. Or you can also use cool, cool weather. Okay? Yes. Okay. I feel a bit sad during the sunny weather. Okay, go Tao. I feel a bit sad during the sunny weather. Okay, very good. So everything clear, Tao? Yes, perfect. Okay, let's go to Linva. Okay, Lin, how do you deal with rain? Do you use an umbrella or raincoat? Yes. Okay. So what do you use? An umbrella or raincoat? I use an umbrella. Okay. So let's make a sentence for that. Just a moment. I will write in the chat box. But do you like the rain, Linva? Do you like the rainy season? Okay. All right. Okay. Lynn, please look at the chat box. I use a raincoat when it is raining. Okay, one more. It is raining. Okay, again, I use a raincoat when it is raining. Okay, very good. Thank you, Lynn. Okay, next, let's go to Tao. All right, Tao, do you worry about global warming? Yes or no? Hey, sorry, Tao, Tao. Do you worry about global warming? Ah, sure, sure, no problem. Okay, so yes or no, do you worry about global warming? Okay, good, good, good. That's a good answer. Yes, I'm worried. Okay, let's try to answer in complete sentence. Okay, can you say, yes, I'm worried about global warming? Okay, warming. Good. So let's pronounce it together. Can you say global? All right, like global. So, okay, one more. Global. Okay, very good, Tao. Okay, next question. How serious are the Earth's environmental problems? What do you think? How serious? Take your time to answer this because this is a difficult question. I'll give you time to think about it. So take your time. How serious are the Earth's environmental problems? Okay, so this is the translation. Okay, can you see it, Tao? Yes, so how serious Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, melting ice. Yes. What happens with the melting ice? Mm-hmm. Okay. So you said that if the environment is too hot, the global is too hot, right, Tao? Is that right? Okay. Mm-hmm. All right. Can you say that again for me, Tao? If the environment is too hot, what will happen? The people. Sure, sure. Take your time. Did you say awareness? Ah, okay. Got it. Right. Okay. So, okay. Maybe you can say when. Okay. I will type. Okay. So, kindly read. When the environment. Sorry. I'm gonna edit something. Eh? Why? Okay. So please read. When the environment is too hot, it should raise people's awareness. All right. Can you say raise? Very good. People's. Okay, good job. Thank you, Tao. So I agree. Indeed, global warming is something to worry about, right? Because it's not healthy for the planet. Like it's not balanced anymore. There is It's too hot. The planet is too hot. Right, Tao? Exactly. Okay, very good. So last question is for Linva. Eh, okay, Lin. Which region of your country, Vietnam, has the best weather? And what is it like there? So in Vietnam. Wait. Lin, can you please type the name of the region? Mm-mm. Okay. So which region in Vietnam has the best weather? What's the name? I think you can type in Dalat. Is it Dalat? Okay, Dalat. So, what is it like in Dalat? It's cold there. It's cold. Okay. And you like cold weather, right? Okay. All right. So, let's make a sentence for that and then we will practice. Okay. Yeah, I like that. That's fine. Because it is very cold there. Okay. Another way to say it as well, Linva, can you say Dalat has the best weather in Vietnam because it is very cold there? In the chat box, yes. All right, very good. So there you go, girls. All right, so um, Zoom stops after 40 minutes. So we will leave the chat room, guys, and then we will try to come back. Try to come back. Okay. So we will end, and then please try to come back. Okay. We will stop the meeting, and please come back. Okay, girls, come back. Okay, thanks, Tao. See you again. Re-enter the link. Okay. Bye bye. See you. We will come back. Okay, not yet time. We have 20 minutes left. Let's end first. See you, see you. Come back, ha. Come back. Come back, girls. Hinag po ng tubig. Hala di ay. May paggamito na mo kay Vov. Bakit di pagmamahal? Agay, agay. Accomplish more with Zoom Workplace, an AI first platform that includes AI companion and other features like meetings up to 30 hours, 5 year cloud storage. Da, 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 da. Shh, Pow, come here. Pow, 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 pow. Sal, magdayon mo sa Domingo? Ha? Sa kuno? Salat. Magunahon na pa? Ah, pangolekta sa kisamanguban. Jubian sal mo uban? Ha 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 hay. Met you on a springtime, babe. You were minding your love and I was minding. 2 minutes na lang. We're gonna be back. Hashtag. Ooh, okay. Okay. Hello. Welcome back, guys. So, yeah, I think you already know that we are using Zoom, right? So, Zoom, this is a free Zoom. Zoom free is only for 40 minutes. So, once stopped, we can come back after 10 minutes. So, we will extend another 10 minutes. So, we will end at 9:10 p.m. VNT. Okay? Okay, girls? Cool? All right. Where's Linva? All right. Lynn, can you please turn on your camera? All right. Thank you. All right. So let's continue. Sorry. Let's again. Okay. All right. Can you see my screen, girls? Okay, you can now see. Thank you, Tao. All right, so let's continue with our speaking test. Okay, let's move to the next page. Okay, so girls, let us learn some weather vocabulary. Okay, all right, so let's practice pronunciation of this one. So, together, can we do it together? Like Tao and Lin. Let's try, okay? All right, so sun, other words that are related to the word sun. Okay? Girls, can you say sun? Tao, Linva. Let's say sun. Good. Lin, sun. Very good. So, here are some words that can be used in describing sun. Okay, for example, together, can you say bright? Right. Okay, Linva, blazing. One more, blazing. Okay, Tao, sunlight. Linva, sunshine. Okay, very good. So I need Tao, please read all of this. All right. Okay, let's practice Tao. Can you say sunshine? Sunshine. Okay, very good. Blazing. Blazing. Okay, good job. Okay, I can still hear the S at the last part. Okay, let's practice. Can you say blazing? All right. I'm not sure. I think I hear blazings. Did you say blazings, Tao? Yeah. Okay, let's try to not pronounce the S. Okay, let's say blazing. Okay, can you say zing? Okay, blazing. Okay, you got it. One more, blazing. Okay, perfect. Good job. Okay, sunshine. All right, one more, sunshine. Sunshine. Okay, sun, shine. Sunshine. Okay, better. It's fine, it's fine. Okay, next, Linva, can you read this for me? All right, one more, sunshine. Okay, good job. All right. So again, those are words related to sun. Like for example, you can say bright sun. Okay, together guys, can you say bright sun? Okay. Tao, can you say blazing sun? Okay, good job. All right, next let's talk about rain. Can you say rain? Very good. So Tao, can you say drizzling? One more, drizzling. Linva, pouring. Tao, raining. Linva, lashing. Okay, good. So, Tao, please read all the words. All right. Let's practice together, Tao. Can you say drizzling, pouring, raining, Lashing. Okay, one more. Lashing. Okay, good. Can you say sh, sh? All right. Shh. Can you say sh, sh? Very good. Just like sunshine, right? Shine, shing, lashing. Okay, again. Let's try again, Tao. Drizzling, pouring, raining, lashing. Perfect. Okay. This one, Tao, let's try to pronounce the Z. Can you say drizzling? Okay, perfect. Good job. All right, next, Linva. Can you read the words for me? Sorry. This one, the first one. Okay, good job. This one, let's practice, Lynn. Can you say drizzling? All right, let's hear the Z. Let's hear the Z. Can you say drizzling? Very good. One more, drizzling. Okay, perfect. Okay, next. Okay, girls, let's say clouds. Tao and Lynn. Clouds. Okay, good. Linva. Clouds. Okay, let's read the words together. Tao, can you say cloudy? Linva, gloomy. Tao, foggy. Lin, overcast. Okay, good job. So, Tao, please read all the words for me. All right, good. This one, Tao, let's practice. Can you say gloomy? Very good. Foggy. Okay, perfect. Next, Linva. Let's read together. Can you read the words for me? All right, let's practice, Lin. Can you say gloomy? Okay, one more. Gloomy. All right, me. Can you say me? This one, me. Gloomy. All right, better. Next, foggy. All right. This one, overcast. One more, overcast. Okay, very good. All right. Next, fog. Can you say fog? Good. Linva, fog. Okay, fog is like it's not entirely cloudy, but it looks like a cloud. You'll see like shades of cloud. Fog is a bit tiny. Okay, let's practice. Can you say mist? Tao, mist. All right. Linva, haze. Tao, dense fog. Lin, patchy fog. Okay, so Tao, please read the words. Okay, good. This one, Tao, can you say dense fog? Very good. Okay, g. Can you say fog? Very good. Okay, Linva, can you read the words? All right. Can you say haze? Haze. Okay, very good. So those are words to use when you are talking about a foggy weather. Okay, next. Snow. Taolin. Snow. Okay, very good. So Tao, Lin, Tao, Lin. All right. Okay, let's practice. So Tao, please read all the words. Okay, good, good. So let's practice second one. Can you say snowstorm? Okay, one more. Snowstorm. Good job. This one, snowflake. Snowflake. Very good. Last one, blizzard. All right, B. Let's pronounce the B. Blizzard. Very good. One more, blizzard. Okay, good. Better. Next, Lynn, please read all the words. All right. Can you say blizzard? Blizzard. Okay, good job. All right, next, this one. Let's say wind. Tao and Lin, wind. Okay, good. Lin, wind. Okay, let's practice. Tao, breeze. Linva, blustery. Okay, one more. Okay, one more, blustery. All right. Okay, next. Tao, windstorm. Linva, hurricane. Okay, good job. So, Tao, please read all the words. All right. Good. Let's practice the first one. Tao, can you say breeze? Breeze. Okay, good. Second one, blustery. Blustery. Very good. Windstorm. Hurricane. Good job. Hurricane. All right. Very good, Tao. Next, Linva, please read all the words. All right. Very good. So, Lin, let's just practice some more. Can you say breeze? Blustery. W- Yes. Blustery. Windstorm. Hurricane. Okay, good. All right. We still have time. Girls, let's say temperature. Tao and Lin, let's say temperature. Very good. Lin. Okay. So let's practice hot. Tao. Linva. Linva, warm. Tao. Linva. Mm-hmm. Linva. Tao. Okay, good job. So Tao, please read all the words. Okay. One more. Freezing. Okay, I still hear the S. Let's try. Can you say zing? Zings. Okay, let's remove the S. Can you say zing? Freezing. All right, let's just practice removing the S. Okay. Zing, zing, zing. Okay, can you practice Tao? Can you say zing, zing, zing? All right. Freezing. Okay, good. You got it. Just try to not put S. I can hear the S. But with practice, you can do more. All right. Thanks, Tao. Next, Linva. Read the words, please. All right. Can you say freezing? Freezing. Okay, very good. So I first I heard the S, but you were able to remove it. Okay, one more. Freezing. Okay, freezing is too cold. All right, last one for 1 minute. Let's try. Can you say natural disasters? Disasters. Okay, good, Lynn. Tao, natural disasters. Okay, good. Tao, landslide. Linva, avalanche. Tao, storm. Linva, drought. Tao, earthquake. All right. So, Tao, please read all the words. Let's practice that. Okay, good. So, this one, Tao, can you say avalanche? Avalanche. Good. This one, drought. Drought. Okay, very good. Okay, next, Tao. Ay, Tao, sorry. Linva, Linva, your turn. Please read the words. Okay, good. This one, Lynn, can you say avalanche? Avalanche. Good job. Drought. Drought. Okay. Yay. Good job, girls. So we will stop right here. We will just continue next Friday. So thank you for your time and good job. Both of you are improving. No, you reach test number 5. So good job. So it's already 9:11 p.m. Vietnam time. So I bid you good night. Thank you, Tao, and thank you, Lynn. Good night, girls. Thank you. Bye. See you. Happy Friday. Thank you, Tao. Take care. Bye, Tao.